Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going on a hike up to Glendale Peak and maybe take the loop. And yeah, it's a really nice day out. It's supposed to be a little hot today, so we're kind of going early, slightly earlier in the morning. It's about 7:30 right now, so which is about good time. So probably take us maybe a couple hours to do the loop, and then we'll see what goes from there. Over there in the distance, you'll see the Griffith Observatory. Beautiful view of downtown LA. Glendale.
I'm not really asking.
Burbank over there.
We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions.
Head back down and finish the loop.
This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go. Be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts.
Alright, now to head back down. it through the loop. We made it through the loop, 4 miles all together. Well, 4.6 according to my watch. We made it to Glendale Peak and Mount Hollywood and saw some amazing views on the way. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you guys had a really good time. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Until then, I'm gonna go home and rest for the rest of the day. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know down in the comments down below. Until then, I'll see you guys next week. Take care.